Hey everyone, Tara Tesher here, I know, new hairdo, with some Halloween fun. I wanted to share with you my go-to spooky 7-layer dip. Super easy, start with a pie dish, and we're gonna layer upon layer upon layer. As I mentioned, 7 full layers. So we're gonna start with my cream cheese and sour cream mixture. Soften it, get it nice and soft so that it's super easy and spreadable. You're just gonna go ahead and spread that all over the bottom of the baker. As I mentioned, it becomes layer upon layer, so delicious. Then I'm going to go ahead and add my ground beef to it. You could also use beans if you wanted to. I actually made this in one of our new pieces of cookware. So I'm gonna layer, of course, that beautiful brown meat that already has a taco seasoning packet included inside. So let's just use that there. Then, okay, let's go for our next layer. Let's talk about our green chili. Yum, layer upon layer. Who doesn't love green chili? And I'm just gonna mix that in because what's gonna happen is it's gonna incorporate within the beef. So again, it's flavoring the taco seasoning, it's flavoring the beef, and who doesn't love green chili? Chunky salsa, definitely gonna want those chunks. It adds so much fun, of course, to that layer dip here. And here's the best part, make a mess. That's what's really fun about a 7-layer dip and why this is always my go-to. How about some cheese, a little shredded cheese, because why wouldn't you? Again, all of the ingredients are included, so you'll be able to check that out. But look how simple that is. We're gonna add some guacamole. Oh, the best is yet to come. This is why I love this. I mean, sour cream, guacamole, cheese, chili, salsa, all that good stuff. And the messier, honestly, the better, because now we're gonna draw a spider web inside. And all I did was put it in a little squeeze bottle, and I'm just gonna go from corner to corner. You can have fun with this. I don't go too crazy with it. And then I just kind of make a little web there, and I make a little web there. Look at how fun that is. You can even add, I'm just gonna use my fingers, some extra olives around the way, because again, you're gonna wanna give it that nice, beautiful color. Oh, just wait, there's still more. A little tomato. This is so fun. I'm telling you, this is so delicious and something that you and your family will absolutely love because of those great 7 layers, because of the fun flavors, everything coming together, absolutely delicious. And my favorite part, oh yeah, I'm gonna add some spiders. Let me just get him out of this little spider web. And let me just put him on, well, let's leave him and let's take him. Okay, well, they're all gonna be stuck, but that's okay. Here's the best part. There's a whole bowl right here for me. Look over there, Tara. All right, so this is why we absolutely love the 7-layer dip. It's delicious, it's easy, and it's probably all ingredients you already have in your home. If you did want a non-meat version, we actually did some Frankenstein little avocado toasts over here. So stinking cute. You're gonna love it.